So guys, today I'm having filet steak with mashed potato. So this is the beginning. Yeah, I have here the steak and then the potato, and this is the butter. This is the starting for now. Okay guys, so I cleaned the steak, I chopped the garlic, this is black pepper and fresh chili and Maggi. So now I'm mixing it. Now I'll put it inside here. You see, this is how I do it. And then so I'll steam it. When I steam it until it's well cooked, then I can come and fry it. I put a little bit of butter just to give the flavor. Yeah, now I will cover it and let it steam with a low heat. Yeah, and this is the water for the mashed potato. Yeah, it's here. Put it inside. Why I chop it so tiny? I want it to cook so fast. That's why I chop it so tiny. Yeah. Okay guys, now the potato is cooked well. I chop a little bit carrot and put it there so that it can look coloring. This is the butter. I'm putting it inside. So I'm gonna mix it as you all can see, and then I will put milk. See, and a little bit cream. Yeah, this is the mashed potato. So I'm gonna mash it. Okay, so this is the steak. It's well cooked now. I'm leaving it to have color. I'll be just turning it like this until all of them is brown. Yeah, see how it's like the other side. So when everything is brown, I will just remove it and then we are good to go. And it's very tasty. It tastes so yummy. So it's done. It's well cooked. The filet steak is well cooked, and the mashed potato also. I chop a little bit carrot very tiny and spring onion very tiny, so I put it inside to make the mashed potato color. And I put a little bit cream and a little bit milk and butter and salt, a little bit salt. So I mashed it. The outcome is this is the result, but it's very nice, very delicious. You guys try it.